I still can't believe we are traveling today. A new place, a new journey, feels exciting and a little strange. I woke up very early. I could not sleep. My mind was full of thoughts. Same here. I kept thinking about the road, the views, the people we might meet. Travel does that. It wakes up your heart. Look outside. The city is slowly going away. Yes, tall buildings are disappearing. The noise is fading. Feels like we are leaving stress behind. For a few days, no work, no routine, just movement, just freedom. Do you remember how nervous you were last night? Yes, I was afraid of the unknown. A new place, new streets, new habits. But now, you look calm, because the journey has started. When you move forward, fear becomes quiet. That is true. Staying still makes fear louder. Look at the view. Open fields, green trees, white sky. Everything feels peaceful. Life looks slower here. Sometimes, I wish life was always this slow. Me too. But then, we might not value it. Fast life makes slow moments special. What are you most excited about when we arrive? Honestly, just walking around. No plans, no pressure. Just walking, just looking, just feeling the place. And food. We must talk about food. Of course, you always think about food first. Food tells stories. It shows culture. I agree. Food connects people. Do you think people there will be kind? I believe so. A smile works everywhere. Yes, a simple smile opens many doors. Look at that small village. It looks quiet and simple. I wonder how life feels there. Maybe slower, maybe calmer. Happiness does not need much, just peace and connection. This trip already feels meaningful, and we are still on the road. The journey is part of the magic. Do you remember our last trip together when we got lost? Yes, we laughed so much. Getting lost was the best part. I hope it happens again. Sometimes maps stop adventure. True, surprises create memories. The road feels long, but time feels short. Good conversation makes travel easy. I was thinking about life earlier, about how we keep waiting for the right time. Travel teaches us that now is the time. Yes, if you wait too long, life passes quietly. This trip feels like a reminder to live fully, to breathe deeply. Look ahead. The landscape is changing. Mountains, far away. They look powerful. They make you feel small, but peaceful. Nature reminds us that problems are small too. I feel calm just looking at them. I wish we could stay longer. Even short trips leave deep marks. Memories do not need time. They need meaning. When we arrive, what should we do first? Put our bags down and go outside. No rest, Rest can wait. New places cannot. I like that spirit. We should talk to local people. Listen to their stories. Every street has a story. Every face has a past. Travel opens the mind, teaches patience and understanding. Things may not go as planned, and that is okay. Unexpected moments become beautiful memories. Look at the sign. We are close now. My heart is beating faster. Mine too. Feels like a new beginning. Even short beginnings matter. Every chapter changes us. Do you feel different? Yes. More alive, more present. That is the gift of travel. We should take photos, but not too many. Some moments belong to the heart, not the camera. Still, 1 or 2 photos are fine. Just don't live on your phone. Promise. I want to live this moment. Look, we have arrived. Wow, this place feels special. The air is fresh. Take a deep breath. I did. I feel peaceful. This place feels welcoming. Maybe because we came with open hearts. That matters more than the place. Promise me something. What is it? Let's not rush. Promise. Slow steps, open eyes, and laughter. Yes, lots of laughter. This trip already feels unforgettable because we are present. Let's start walking. Let's start exploring. Let's start living.